gonna skip all these people. Wow, look like this, like that guy right there. That whole line, they skipping everybody. I bet you there was those people, those kids in lunchtime. You skip me, not skip you.
You know.
Wow. They gotta look where they're going.
That was not nice. Who beat that you?
I beat that him.
And Daddy, why did you beat that him?
Because he was going into my lane. He shouldn't have.